Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Start by opening Command Prompt. Type CMD in the Start menu search box. Press Enter to launch the app normally. Right-click the app and choose Run as Administrator for elevated tasks. Elevated mode allows system changes like installing drivers or editing program files. Always confirm the User Account Control prompt when it appears. You can customize the window properties from the title bar menu. When you finish, type Exit and press Enter to close safely. Learn navigation commands to manage files efficiently. Use CD followed by a path, for example cdc /users/u. Use to move one folder up in the hierarchy. Use dir to list contents including file sizes and modified dates. Use mkdir new folder to create a new directory quickly. Use rmdir/s folder name to remove a folder and its contents recursively. Use del file name. txt to delete files. And be careful, because deleted files may not be recoverable. Use built-in network tools to diagnose connectivity problems quickly. Type ipconfig to see IP4 addresses, subnet masks, and default gateways. Use ping 8 to test external connectivity and trace network latency. Use copy file, txtd /backup/ to copy files to another drive. Use move file, txtd / to transfer files and remove the original automatically. Use ren old name, txt new name.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.